Welcome back to Primetime Sports Tuesday. The executive body of the Intersecondary School Sports Association, ISSA, is breathing a sigh of relief after another of their many sporting competitions, table tennis, got an injection with much-needed sponsorship. Collins Books and More handed over a check totaling $750,000 to assist with the staging of this year's championship.
We're happy today that Full Service Consultant provided a sponsorship check of $750,000 for the sponsorship of the competition this year. It will go a far way in underwriting the cost for running the competition. And because of this sponsorship, we are able to reintroduce a competition that we had taken out in previous years because of lack of sponsorships.
One of the immediate impact of the sponsorship will result in the return this year of the singles competition.
At the end of the team competition, we'll then do the singles competition. And with so doing, there are schools that may not have enough players to enter the team competition who may have a few talented players, so they can now enter the singles competition. So we're happy we will be able to expose more schools and more players to the sport of table tennis.
The ongoing impasse affecting the Jamaica Table Tennis Association will negatively impact the schools league, where there is a shortage of certified coaches.
Yes, we're disappointed because some plans that we had regarding certification of coaches, some of those plans we had to shelve because of that. Because if we are going to be putting on a coaching course, this course has to be endorsed by the association. And with the legal wranglings with the association, it has contributed to the number of schools that have entered, because schools would have indicated that one of the reasons they have not entered is because they don't have a coach. And so we're hoping that in the next couple of months, once these issues are resolved, then with ISSA and the Jamaica Table Tennis Association, we can partner to ensure that we have trained and certified coaches for table tennis, thus increasing the number of students increasing the number of schools and students who will be participating in the competition next year.
The presentation of the sponsorship check took place at the Terranova Hotel in St. Andrew, where ISSA held a meeting involving the principals from across the island and informed them about the certification of coaches and the upcoming season.